Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Notable companies on the Jamaica Stock Exchange reports their financial results. Future Energy Source Company Limited, FESCO, audited financials for the 12 months ending March 31, 2025, reports a 12% increase in year-end net profit. Portland JSX Limited, unaudited financials for the first quarter ending May 31, 2025, reports first quarter net loss of US $1.5 million. Caribbean Cream Limited, which trades as Creamy, audited financials for the year ending February 28, 2025, reports a 52% decline in year-end net profit. And Innovative Energy Group Limited, which trades as Energy, unaudited financials for the year ended March 31, 2025, reports year-end net profit of $76.33 million. The government of Jamaica, through its special purpose vehicle, the Montego Bay Airport Revenue Finance Limited, is offering a bond of US $400 million to the international market. Citigroup has been named as the sole book runner for the deal, which is expected to close on July 22. The bond will mature June 2035, 10 years from now, and carries an interest rate of 6.6% per annum. The funds will go towards clean water infrastructure, general administrative expenses, and 6 months of interest payments, which will be set aside in the debt service reserve account. For the trading period ending July 16, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Investment house Sagicor Select Funds Limited, manufacturing and distribution with 1,554,686 units traded, representing 12.83% of market sales volume. Manufacturing firm Lasco Manufacturing Limited with 1,360,032 units traded, representing 11.22% of market sales volume. Investment house Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial with 1,204,302 units traded, representing 9.94% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On July 16, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $59.84 million purchased and US $50.73 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $2.21 per dollar, selling the US at $161.29 and buying the US at $159.08. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders 50 cents per transaction, with selling at $117.31 and buying at $116.81. The British pound yielded Forex traders 55 cents in profit, with selling at $216.02 and buying at $215.47. For the credit report tip of the day, scaling from solopreneur to CEO starts with a funding strategy, and your credit score is step one. Instead of waiting for investors or dipping into your personal savings, take charge. Check your current credit score, pay down revolving debt, open a business credit line, and set up trade lines with vendors who report to bureaus. These actions aren't just financial housekeeping. They're the first steps to building the kind of credit profile that attracts capital. Do you want to hire a team? Invest in tools or marketing. Secure a workspace. That growth takes money, and your credit score can help you access it faster with better terms and fewer roadblocks. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.